Making a smart home starts with a smart thermostat. Well, you might not agree with this, but you cannot deny that thermostats are a very important part of a smart home. Smart thermostats do more than just manage your home's heating and cooling. It makes your life way more convenient, making it possible to control your home weather through your mobile phone or voice. The automation of the heating and cooling processes can also save money and energy as well. Hence, in this video, we have gathered 5 budget thermostats that will keep your home and room always at a comfortable temperature. So without further ado, let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends. To start off the list, we have the Saswell Smart Thermostat, the perfect entry-level thermostat that can keep the atmosphere of your home in control while costing way less. With the Saswell app, you can adjust the temperature, set timer and schedules, check energy usage, and more just with the tap of a button. And as it works with Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assistant, it will do everything that you command. It has a large LCD display and touch buttons that enable you to control the device manually. On top of these, this thermostat is energy efficient, so by the end of the year, it can help you to save up to 17% of your energy bill. Compatible with heat pump, aux heat, ventilator, electric heating, water heating, and many other devices, you can install it within 30 minutes, and you should definitely give this product a try. Although fairly new to the market, the Wyze Smart Thermostat has gained lots of attraction, thus earning the number 4 spot on our list. By pairing it with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control this thermostat hands-free. If you want to control it remotely, you can do that as well via the Wyze app. Having ultra-flexible 7-day and 8-period settings, this thermostat allows you to set up your preferred settings, so you don't have to tweak it frequently. This thermostat is very sleek to look at, so wherever you install it, everyone will find it attractive. There are few buttons embedded on the device, so you can control it manually as well. All that being said, it's a gorgeous looking device that you can grab without thinking too much. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you are always just a few taps away from dialing the perfect temperature. Presenting the Wyze Thermostat. This thermostat works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so even if you are under the blanket, you can command it to change the temperature. The thermostat allows you to create schedules for every weekday and weekend, so you do not have to go back and forth all the time. If your house is empty, it will turn the heating and cooling off, saving lots of your money and energy consumption. Suddenly, if you just want to change the schedule or want to receive energy-saving tips and others, you can use the dedicated app to do all these. All in all, if you love a simplistic approach, then this thermostat might pique your interest. Turn up your energy savings with the Honeywell Thermostat, a comprehensive thermostat that ensures you always stay in comfort. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana, you can turn up or down the temperature, switch it on and off, and many more just with the command of your voice. It also includes smart alerts features that will remind you when to change air filters, provide temperature notification, and more to keep you always safe. In case you're not at home, you will get all the important notifications via the Honeywell Home app. Moreover, you can control the device remotely with the app as well. This programmable thermostat has 4 programs for each day of the week that can reduce lots of your energy bills. In conclusion, we can strongly recommend this product to you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Emerson Sensi Thermostat, the best budget thermostat on our list that keeps the temperature of your home always in control. It's an amazing thermostat that works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. That means whichever platform you live in, it will work seamlessly. The Sensi mobile app of this thermostat is very handy. Not only it allows you to control the device remotely, but also updates you with user reports, runtime, energy consumption, and many more. When it detects any kind of extreme temperature and humidity levels in your home, it will notify you immediately. Featuring auto changeover and geofencing technology, it can adjust between temperatures depending on your location, which can help you save 23% of energy usage. You can install this thermostat within 30 minutes, and we think it surely deserves a place in your home. So that was our list of the top 5 budget thermostats for your smart home. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.